Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on our weather here across the ArkLaTex as we go through the rest of this week and next week. If you like sunshine, don't expect to see a whole lot of it here, especially this week, and really not much next week either, as we have lots of clouds over the ArkLaTex right now early in this Monday afternoon. Temperatures mainly in the 70s, the one exception 80 degrees early this afternoon in Coshada. Watching a big upper level disturbance here across the central Rockies. This is going to take a course towards the north and east, and it does appear as the risk of severe weather is going to be highest to the north of the ArkLaTex tomorrow. Here is the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center showing that slight to enhanced risk across the Midwest. There is some risk in our area, but you can see Futurecast and compare the amount of storms up here compared to what we see down in the ArkLaTex, and not really too concerned about severe weather tomorrow, though it can't totally be ruled out. But it does look like that risk is looking rather low. Here's another look at that. Futurecast pretty much in line with every other high-res model, showing a few weakening thunderstorms grazing the northern edge of the area tonight and late this evening. And then tomorrow, notice not a whole lot of new thunderstorm development across the area, as we'll see a mostly cloudy sky. Again, that stray storm will be possible. If it does develop, it could be strong. We will see a mostly cloudy sky tomorrow night, and on Wednesday, looking at a mostly cloudy sky, mainly dry, a small chance of rain if Futurecast is correct over the southern sections of the area. The next disturbance will give us a possibility for some thunderstorms on Thursday. It does appear as if we could see a little bit of sunshine Thursday afternoon, which will allow temperatures to warm up into the mid to upper 80s. There's going to be a cold front. You can see the wind shift off to the north and west of us. That front will likely begin to produce some thunderstorms as it moves into the northwest edge of the area late Thursday afternoon. Those thunderstorms could become severe Thursday evening as they move south down towards Interstate 20, but they likely will be weakening as we move through the latter stages of the evening hours on Thursday. And then Friday, pretty much a dry day with a mostly cloudy sky all across the ArkLaTex the way it looks right now. So here's how it plays out in the next 10 days. You can see that first disturbance moving to the northeast. Here comes the second disturbance. Notice not a big trough here associated with this thunderstorm activity. That cold front is basically going to be the trigger with somewhat limited upper level support. So severe weather possible again Thursday evening, the way it checks out right now, especially over the northwest edge of the area. We'll see some more rain move into the ArkLaTex, especially Saturday night. We'll take a bit of a pause for a few days, and then another round of thunderstorms potentially on the way towards the last half of next week, with this a shortwave trough making its way into the ArkLaTex. Here's a look at thunderstorm fuel. And you can kind of see why I point out Thursday as a day that we're going to have to watch out closely. I think comparing tomorrow to Thursday, the risk is looking higher Thursday. Again, we will see the rain around this weekend, but notice the fuel number is somewhat low. So again, any severe weather should be very limited if we have any at all this weekend. And then notice that next disturbance later in the week, again, some decent fuel numbers available for that. So those will be the time frames this Thursday and next Thursday when our severe weather risk probably will be at its highest. As far as rainfall potential, you can see that rainfall totals 2 to 2.5 inches near and north of Interstate 30. In East Texas and Northwest Louisiana, an inch or two will be a possibility. So it definitely looks like the heaviest rain will fall over the northwestern sections of the area here from now through next Thursday. This includes all those disturbances that I just showed you. So tonight, a little bit of rain possible, maybe some thunder over the northern edge of the area. We'll see a low in Texarkana at 66, 67 in Shreveport, 68 degrees in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, I expect to see, again, a small chance for a thunderstorm. Not too concerned about widespread severe weather tomorrow. In fact, not concerned about widespread rain for that matter, as we'll see 83 degrees in Shreveport, 77 in Texarkana, 78 degrees in Marshall. 10-day forecast shows perhaps a better chance for strong to severe thunderstorms next or this Thursday evening. More rain this weekend, especially Saturday night. Notice how much cooler we will be this weekend, hence not too concerned about severe weather then. And then late in the 10-day period next Thursday, we'll see another round of potential strong to severe thunderstorms, something we'll have to keep an eye on as we go through the next 10 days. So again, not a whole lot of sunshine to enjoy over the course of the next week and a half. Perhaps we'll have to wait till the beginning of next week, as temperatures over the next couple of days will stay rather warm with highs in the 80s and lows mainly in the 60s and 70s.